I wanna shoot, baby, shoot.
Hi guys, this is Evie from an expat in Panama, and today I want to explain to you what you need to have in order to open a bank account in Panama. So there's several requirements. It's definitely a little bit more complicated than it would be in the US, for example. I know in the US you can just step into whatever bank you want with your passport in hand and they'll open a checking account for you, no problem, no questions asked. Well, guess what? In Panama, opening a bank account, it's a big pain in the posterior. Many documents are required, so it's good for you to know that before you come to Panama so you can have them for when you go to different banks to compare which one is best for you. One of the things that you're going to be asked for is a reference letter. Some ask 2 reference letters, some ask 3 reference letters. So it could be either a personal letter from someone that you know that can vouch for you, someone in Panama. It can be a business reference letter, so somewhere that you've worked at, or it can be a reference letter from your previous bank. Obviously you need to have your ID. So some ask just one form of ID, your passport would be enough. Some ask 2. The third thing that you're gonna have to show is proof of income. You can either show your tax returns, or you can show that you're receiving a salary, or that you're receiving a pension, anything that proves that you're receiving a steady income. You will have to show that you have an address in Panama, that you're living in Panama. So a bill, it could be any bill, electricity bill, water bill, or telephone bill, anything with your name and your address on it. Some of them will also ask you a minimum amount to put on your account before they even open it. The amount can range anywhere between $100 or over $1,000. Actually, let me check. It was multi-bank. Multi-bank asks you to put a minimum of $1,500 in order to open an account for you. You need proof of income, reference letters, and a bill with your address on it. Now, when you open an account, very important, when you ask for a debit card or a credit card, make sure to ask for the requirements as well. For example, Global Bank will ask you to have a minimum of $500 on your account to get a credit card. These $500 you can never touch. You're basically giving $500 to the bank and you can never use them, which I don't think is very fair. Other banks will just give you a debit card for a minimum amount per month, like $20 per month. If they give you a clave card is a debit card. You can pay in stores here in Panama with that clave card, but you won't be able to pay in stores abroad or to make internet purchases. It's important to ask all these questions to your bank. If the card you're getting is going to be debit or credit, if you can only pay with it in Panama or if you can use it abroad, and how much it costs per month to have it and how much money you need to have on your account in order to get one. Good luck. I hope you find a bank that you like. If I were you, I would just, go from bank to bank and ask them what their fees are, which is the most important thing. So I hope you like this episode. It's not as funny as the previous ones, but it's a necessary one. Everyone needs to have a bank account unless you stack your cash under your mattress. If there's anything else that you guys want me to make a video about, put it in the comments. I'm always happy to hear your ideas, and hopefully I can keep helping you setting up your new life here. Good luck.